Hi guys, and welcome back to 91 Wheels, and a big welcome to the headquarters of Mercedes-Benz in India. We are on the outskirts of Pune. Feels very good to be back over here, and the reason I'm here couldn't be bigger, better or more luxurious. We are here for the launch of the new Maybach S Class. Now right outside the launch conference, which is right over here, the hall, the company has showcased what they stand for. Here is the lineup of the entire class. We have the A class, we have the C class, we have the E class, and of course the S class right over here. Yeah, but the main action happens on the inside, so time to go find ourselves a seat and wait for the proceedings to start. Now some car reviews, they deserve to be started from the rear of the vehicle. This one is the epitome of luxury, epitome of comfort. I run out of words when I'm in cars like this one. Maybach S Class now is in India, the new one. The 680 version is sold out. That's a direct import, it's a CBO import. This one, the 580, is assembled in India. It's for 2.7 crore rupees plus options. The 680 is for 3.5 crores, but between both the models, a lot of things remain same. The comfort levels, the brand value, the exteriors, the interiors, and I stand 6 feet tall with a healthy build, and as you can make out, I have never felt more comfortable in a car ever. And there are a lot of magical buttons. If I press this one, look what happens. That seat goes up. I can then start various other functions like the calf support coming up. The seat will go ahead, the recline will start happening. This seat will recline as much as 43.5 degrees. Wow! The 680 is sold out for a reason. This is the 580. And then there are options like energizing the interiors. You want a particular fragrance, you want a particular music or a fake sound, or you want particular LEDs to color up the interiors. Everything is possible in this one. Now apart from the comfort and the space on offer, there are clever technologies, multiple cameras over there which will keep an eye on your eyes and your body movement. What happens is, these cameras, for example, it's dark and I want to pick up something from the floor, they will see that happening and they will put on spotlights on that particular area where I want to pick up something. Likewise, the doors, they are electrically powered for the closing and the opening operation. You don't need to put your effort. The same can happen from the chauffeur. If he's coming to pick you up, by a touch of a button, the door can open up. How cool is that? The Mercedes Maybach S Class is also the safest car on sale in India. 13 airbags on offer. I have been playing with the buttons, that's why the seats are changing their position, sorry for that. So 13 airbags on offer over here. And then things like heated neck pillows. In winters, heating for your neck pillows sounds really amazing, right? And then on the move with the given traffic in Indian conditions, with the outside world which has to remain outside, you have noise cancellation coming in from the audio system. The speakers, they will actually work on ensuring everything in the cabin remains very quiet. And when you come and sit inside the car, you have seat belt feeders which literally give you the seat belt so that you put it on for a safe drive. So we thankfully have multiple cars over here. The entire action happened inside, but lots and lots of people around this one, understandably. Thankfully, for a while we have a car to ourselves exclusively. Launched in India, the 680 is sold out, 580 is still available for bookings, and this one is longer than the outgoing version, and the design more or less remains same but is a definite evolution in terms of the brand, the luxury, and lots of things which look cool and are safe. For example, the headlights, they have collectively 1.3 million micro mirrors. Imagine the intensity at night. This one also gets level 2 autonomous features for the Indian market, including a situation where the car will brake itself if it detects cross-moving traffic at a junction. Of course, it will also assist you in emergency maneuvers of the steering in case it detects a possible collision on the front side. Now, the Maybach or the S Class has always been known for multiple personalization options, and that is possible. You do have 10 dual tone paint options. A few of them are on the screen right now, but for the dual tone, this is how it works. First, the entire car is painted in single color, and then the upper half is hand painted. So it will take a week's time for delivery, but that's how it happens. And if we go towards the rear of the car, these are flush door handles that pop out. They look super cool. They are powered doors, so even if I leave the door like this, slightly open, it will close by itself. And then the distinguishing factors, the emblem, the double M, the fusion of luxury and technology is what Maybach is all about. And at the back, you again have LED lights. This is daytime, so I can't show you how cool these look like, but definitely, wow, the Maybach branding, the Mercedes branding, and this is the model name, the S580. So interiors impeccable. Anyone spending so much money knows what he's getting into and will get it in the best way possible. Exteriors, 20-inch alloy wheels. The design is different. I haven't seen something like this. This is the 580, so you have the 19-inch alloy wheels. On the 680, you have larger 20-inch alloy wheels. They are not sporty, they are different in a luxury appeal I've never seen before. I think I've used the word luxury too many times, but I can't help. This is the Maybach after all. Now, with all that kind of luxury, technology, space and brand value on offer, what about the heart of the matter? We will not be disappointed at all. The 580, this one has a V8 engine, 4 liters, over 500 bhp of power and 700 Nm of torque. If you go for the 680, you get 4 extra cylinders. It's a V12 motor. Instead of a 4000cc, you get a 6-liter motor, over 700 horses, 900 Nm of torque, and of course power going to all the 4 wheels. It's a 4MATIC on the inside, and in spite of so much punch, it can do 0 to 100 in less than 5 seconds. In spite of so much punch, the interiors are so smooth that when I start the engine, I can't even make out. I'll actually perform a bottle test. I'll keep a bottle on the front face here. Let me see if there is enough space. There is space. And I'll start the car and I'll show you the amount of vibrations which we'll see in the level of the water next to 0. I've kept a bottle in an inverted manner. You can make out the car is off. Because I'm speaking on the camera, because of me, it's moving. I'll stop speaking, I'll start the car and look at the levels. You will not even hear the car. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll stop moving. 3, 2, 1. You saw that. Just a hint of vibrations came in, and if I rev it, it's mainly because I'm moving my right foot. The bottle is moving and it's actually inverted on a small surface area, not even like this. If this is not phenomenal, then what is? Super duper smooth. Now, standalone at 3.5 crore rupees ex-showroom daily for the S680 and 2.7 crore rupees for the 580. The value might seem super expensive for you, but these cars are not mass segment cars. They are sold to a particular set of buyers. For example, in Mumbai, a luxury apartment or luxury house will not cost less than, I think, 10 crore rupees. So getting my point, a car is 3.5 or 2.7, a luxury house is 10 crore rupees. So in that regard, Mercedes themselves say that the sales of their higher end models is super good. In fact, the G-Wagon is sold out till Jan next year. The GLS Maybach is sold out till end of next year. The normal GLS also has a waiting period, so that showcases you that the amount of waiting on these luxury cars is huge, huge, huge. In the end, my verdict, well, it remains the same. The epitome of luxury, proper fusion of technology with luxury, power, brand appeal, smoothness. I can go on and on. I think cars like these don't deserve a verdict because they are super good.